They are attacking.
Does she think it's really fun?
Sadie, what do you have? Sadie, what do you have? What do you have?
He's gonna pass out when we get home.
Oh my gosh, Sadie.
It's
Sadie, you're not usually this destructive. Look at her go. I don't know if this is a good idea.
It's hilarious.
She's watching. She spent too much time with Andy.
Seriously, she's never been this destructive.
Yeah, right.
She's
No, she
learning from
hasn't.
Andy.
Dave, she's not ever done this before.
She's never had a giant stuffed animal
Yeah,
before.
but she would usually be really scared and lick it.
I think at this point she realizes that it's probably not alive and it's not going to hurt her.
If it made noises, it would flip her out.
Watch.
Sadie, what do you have?